Welcome to our SEOPress Breadcrumbs tutorial series, where we'll guide you through effective breadcrumb customizations on your WordPress site. Each video explores SEOPress PRO settings that simplify navigation, giving users and search engines a smoother experience on your site. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. In this last video, we'll show you how to add custom text before your breadcrumbs, giving you even more control over your site's navigation. To begin, go to SEO, then Pro, and find the Breadcrumbs tab. Enable breadcrumbs by toggling the switch. Go to the Breadcrumbs tab and locate Display a text before the breadcrumbs. Add any text you'd like in the field provided. HTML tags are also supported, so you can add styles or links. Once you've entered your text, click Save Changes. Your chosen text will now appear before the breadcrumbs, giving users more context. And that's it! Adding text before breadcrumbs can enhance the user experience by providing additional context. Thank you for following our SEOPress tutorial series on breadcrumbs. We hope these tips help streamline your site navigation. Be sure to check out our other videos for more SEOPress features.